Hi there, Lisa Rana here, and welcome to another Assemble This video. Today's card is all about a fun design using patterned paper and the die cuts that come with the paper pack, plus using the adorable bird from the new Bird's the Word stamp set by Unity Stamp Company. Don't you just love those big chunky cursive sentiments and that bird, of course, as well. I'm doing some very simple coloring with Copic markers for this little guy. I just like the line art and I just wanted to kind of highlight those lines and using Copic markers to do so. So I'm making my little birdie a bluebird and just outlining all those lines with a blue Copic marker and then leaving the center white, coloring his beak with a bit of yellow, and then that's it for him. He's going to be fussy cut out in just a minute. And now I do have my bird pre-stamped on some Nina cardstock. It's 80 pound, and I'm going to finish coloring on here. I'm going to do the hearts in pink and then just add a bit of a shadow around the bottom of the bird and his feet. And then I already have my sentiment and these cute little hearts stamped out as well. And then just to add a little bit of fun to these cursive sentiments, the hello and the you, I'm going to outline the bottom in that blue Copic marker as well. Just a fun little effect you can do to your sentiments. Next, we're going to fussy cut this little guy out. I am cutting very close to the black line. I don't want a bunch of the white showing because he is going to be popped up on that pre-stamped bird that I have on my card panel. So I'm just being careful and going around the lines, and I'm moving the paper rather than my scissors. Cute. And done. So let's assemble our card. So my paper pack came with all these cute patterned papers, and then in the back were all these fun little die cuts. And I thought, wouldn't it be fun to use these? You could always use any shaped die as well to make the same type of layering effect that I'm using today. So these little guys, when you punch them out, they have these little white tabs, and I'm just trimming those off with my scissors just for a cleaner effect. It's not necessary. I just like to cut them off. So I have some foam adhesive on the back of my birdie panel, so I don't want to touch it down to my card, but I am using it as a guide for placement. So I know the pink one wants to go right about there, and then I'll do the teal one right below. And I am using my craft mat, the lines on there, to help me with the placement. So I know this teal one's going to line up on that line. So I pick it up, add a bit of tape adhesive, and then use that line as a guide to add it to my card front. I'm also being careful to make sure that point is in the center of my card as well. So we're just going to do that again with the pink pattern paper and layer that right on top of the teal one. And then now we're just popping up my little birdie and the sentiment panel right on top of that. And then trimming off the sides there, just so they match the card front. Perfect. So here we have our fussy cut birdie that's been colored with Copic markers, and we're going to pop him up with foam adhesive. And I thought there was a little bit too much white space, so I have a little die cut banner from the same paper pack. And then I tied a bow, a real tiny bow, using some hemp twine, and then gluing that down using some Tombow mono adhesive, and just holding it in place for a minute just so it grabs. So here is the finished card with that darling Copic colored birdie popped up on the card. The fun little bow and banner accent, plus all those fabulous pattern paper die cuts layered up as well. I'll have all the supplies linked below. If you have any questions or a sweet comment, post below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.